Remember from Squishy Makeovers, I kind of did already things when they were drying up and without on video. So as you could see, this cone got better from the big white spot wherever it is. I totally don't know where it is. Seriously, I really don't know what it is because literally everything looks the same. Okay. And then here, okay, so remember the fail Winnie the Pooh? This is a Winnie the Pooh, and I added like the ears. Yeah, I added the white paint and I painted black over it, everything. I didn't do the eyes yet because I'm still waiting it for dry, but I guess it's already dry. I just love how slow rising the ears are from what I've done. And all I need to do is add black paint. Oh yeah, also, I'm sorry guys, today we're doing Life of a Squishy Scammer today. I forgot to tell you guys, but I'm just showing you for part 3, even though this is not part 3. And this is the white squishy. And then I decorated it. And then I went over this basketball because all the stripes have been gone. And then the biscuit. I think I showed you guys already. Alright, let's just... Oh, is this dry now? Oh, that was fast. I did this like 30 minutes ago or something. But anyways, let's just get on with the video. Yes, I finally got paid for my chores. Whew, that took a really long time cleaning those floors. Because of that sticky sweets that I accidentally dropped. Like, you know, that candy melts. Okay, I feel like getting more squishies. Let me go get my laptop and some paper. Okay, let's see what we got today. Ooh, that looks cute. I want to get her biggest panda bun. Let me just type that rest in. Whew, finally done. I think I'm happy for what I've got. Now I'm just going to write them down. Oops, turn it on again. My bad. Alright, I'm going to start writing. I wanted her largest panda bun. Her kawaii kitty mushroom. I wanted, what else? Let me see. Maybe a strawberry chocolate sprinkle would look good. Sprinkle. Maybe her... Since I don't have a pair yet, maybe I could get a pair. Okay, what else does she have in mind? Instead of just a panda bun, how about I just get a regular panda? Sounds good to me. What else? Oh, it looks like she has a jumbo croissant. I really want that one. This is my biggest, sadly, my biggest squishy I have. That's why I'm not gonna sell it. Ooh, I could get a dumpling, whatever it's called. I don't even think it's called a dumpling, but I want her jumbo dumpling, I think, or show pal. I don't know. Pause. Comment down below if you know, and if you keep watching, if it's a dumpling or a show pal. What else does she have? How about a Hello Kitty waffle? Well, I know. How about a bread heart? She has a lot of things in common. This one looks okay. How about just a regular smiley face? Her name's Smiley. Alright, I think that's all I want. Now let me just go send this to her. Whoa, wait. She has another cool one. This strawberry donut. I think that's it. Now time to send this to her. Now I'm going to put this in an envelope. Be right back when I put this in the envelope. Got the envelope. Got the things that I want. I only like the tip, so it's easier for them to open. Now, squishy order. Okay. Got my address. Ready to send it. Just put it in the mail now. Ooh, what is this I got? My dad said it was for me. Let's open it up. Squishy order? Yes! By the way, sorry for the bad lighting. Alright, let's see what they wanted. Oh, I got my squishies all right here. By the way, I have more than that. It's in the mail. Okay. Largest panda bun. Largest panda bun. This is my largest panda bun. It's sad, but there's more coming in the mail, so don't worry. So this is my largest panda bun. It's not even that slow rising. But anyways, I'm going to give her my miniest panda bun. I have this other one, but it's bigger than this one. So put these back in my favorites. And I'm going to send her this one. Put it in there. Next, she wanted a kitty mushroom. My favorite. There is no way I'm giving her this kawaii kitty mushroom. It's very slow rising. So instead, I'm just going to give her this ugly, kind of slow rising mushroom. It's actually pretty slow rising. Next, she wanted a strawberry chocolate sprinkled. Oh my god, there's obviously a way that I'm going to give her this. It hurts because of the sprinkles, and it's not even slow rising at all. It's like a stress ball. Next, she wanted a pear. This is kind of slow rising. I just give it to her because it's really hard too. Next, she wanted just a regular panda. Oh sure, this has a bunch of defects on it. So I don't care about giving this to her, and it's not even that slow rising at all. Just like, look at it. 3, 2, 1. So, you can't see the defects at all, totally. So put that in there. Next, she wanted a jumbo croissant. Ooh, I already sold that to one of my friends. So, I'm just going to give her this miniature croissant. It's not even that big or slow rising. Shout out to Juliana, who I sold it to. Next, she wanted, jumbo dumpling. Guys, remember, dumpling or siopao. Is this a dumpling or a siopao? So this is my biggest one I have. It's really slow rising. But I also have this miniature one. So I think I'm going to give her that one. Keep that one for myself. Okay, she just wanted this ugly regular smiley face. I want to give her this, but this one's way more uglier, so I'll give her this and probably give this for extra. Okay, so also she wanted a Hello Kitty waffle. So this is what she wanted, and I don't care because it has a bunch of defects on it. So she could have that. Also, she wanted a bread heart. This is the bread heart. This is like one of my favorites because it's like, you can't really tell, but it's super shiny. Oh, and it has a bunch of defects on it. So I'm just going to give her that. And then last but not least, she wanted a strawberry donut. Just look at the defects on it. I'm so glad I took pictures before. So this is ready to be shipped. Now watch part two. Watch part 2 to see her reaction. Bye.